In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to get your village to the max level of level 10, unlocking you a final villager and a brand new building here as well. If we go to upgrade village, you'll see that we need to increase our village rating just by building things around the area, be it buildings and basically anything you put down. Then next, we need to collect 15 Flexwood rods. This is super simple. What you need to do is head across to the desert area and pick up some Flexwood by destroying cactuses with a green axe. Then simply head back to your lumber mill, chuck in a whole bunch of wood, and we'll be creating, I think it's 15 of these. Then next up, obsidian slabs. We get this by collecting obsidian and putting it into a stone breaker. Now this may be a little bit confusing. What we need to do is get ourselves a max level pickaxe, or rather a green pickaxe, from our level 3 crafting table, this one over here, using Flexwood rods and sand claws. Then we need to head all the way down to the closest desert. In my case, it's very far away, so a glider is necessary for me. But when we get down here, head into these caves, and inside of them, assuming you have some kind of cooling, preferably 2 of these, and maybe a shake, such as this one here, you'll be able to keep yourself cool while you're roaming around the lava-filled caves, collecting yourself obsidian from the purple rocks. Eventually head back to your stonebreaker, choose obsidian slab, activate it, and deposit as many of these as possible. They do take quite some time to process, so I'd recommend making at least 30 of them just to go in the background. And would you look at that, we need 30 here. Then finally cut amber. We'll need 20 of these. Once again, you'll be heading across to the desert biome and mining up amber rocks. These can be found all over the place, and eventually, once you've picked up 20 of them, head across to your gem cutter back in your village, such as this, and chuck in 20 raw amber to be processed into cut amber. That's pretty much it. This one is arguably one of the easier ones at this point. When you've reached this level, or at least this high, you've probably got everything you need in order to get all of these ready. The only thing that may take you a bit of time is upgrading your town, which you really just need a whole bunch of wood for. In my case, I'll need to collect some wood and get to doing some building. Alright, so we'll put down a huge building, maybe this over here. Yeah, we got enough wood. Okay, let's find some space to put this thing, maybe down here. Wow, this is massive. I'm sure that does it. Let's quickly put this thing together, and by the end of it, we should be pretty much max level. Getting pretty much halfway through this, we're practically at level 10 already. There's still a ton of building to go, surprisingly. Yeah, there we go. We've unlocked level 10 now. I think I'll just quickly finish this building anyways. And there we go. We should be done. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Now that we've got an absolutely massive building complete, we should most definitely be able to level up our village, and by now all of our crafting should have been done too. So we'll grab all of our resources that we previously queued up, including the cut amber, and now we should be done. So let's upgrade the village one final time all the way up to level 10, and just like that, now we have a max level grasslands village. We've unlocked a whole bunch of things, including all the way down here, a huge pleasant park building, different kinds of walls that go in it, pillars, etc. I'll quickly scroll through all of these here. There we go. I missed these half walls. Then different roofs that we've unlocked. So whatever the window trims are, different bridges for the roof. And on the furniture tab, we've unlocked different kinds of tables, a bench, different street lights, and that's pretty much it here. But the main part about doing this is reaching the max level for the final villager slot. So now we can get another friend to join us. Let's ask this random person here. Just like that, we've now pretty much maxed out our village. Well, I actually think I need to put down a bed. Sweet, there we go. That's it. You now know how to get a max level village, and I'll give this person a job too for refining textiles. Seems pretty good. But anyways, that's it for this short little series on upgrading your grasslands village. If you'd like to see upgrading villages in different areas, make sure to let me know. But anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.